babies, welcome back or welcome to my channel. It's Maya back again with another bum ass YouTube video. So today, as you guys can tell as the title, we are doing a maintenance vlog, and I'm so excited for this video because as you guys can see, I look like I just need to like glow up. What we looking like right now, it's not it no more. It's not cutting it. So in this vlog, we're gonna be getting our hair done, nails done, eyebrows waxed, maybe lashes done, like toes done. We're doing all of that. We're literally gonna glow up because I'm tired of looking like this. I haven't got my nails done since August. I haven't got my toes done probably in a month. Haven't got my eyebrows done since August. I got them actually waxed. And done my lashes since July as well. So it's just like, it's time. So as you guys can see how my hair is looking right now, it's blowed out. So you guys already know what today is. So today is hair day. I am gonna be getting a U part wig. If you guys don't know what a U part wig is, it's basically like you're doing a leave out, but instead of using tracks, you're using like a wig, so it makes it 10 times easier. I haven't done a U part wig since July, so I haven't really done my actual hair straight since July. Like I just been doing like wigs and stuff like that. And then I haven't put heat in all my head, like actually flat iron my whole head since March. With that being said, I want to thank Hair Spells for sponsoring this video. So they was kind enough to send me a U part wig. So this is what the U part looks like, and as you guys can tell, it has the 3 little clips that will go like into your braids, and then at the top where you do your leave out, it actually has 3 clips that you actually clip into your hair, and then it also has the elastic to where you can make it tighter if you need to. As you guys see where the lace is at, you obviously cut that, and then your hair will go right there. So yeah, take a good look of how I'm looking right now. Rusty, musty, like nails not done, toes not done, eyebrows. Like my eyebrows, bro, doesn't really get done. Hair not done. Just watch how I'm ready to be looking at the end of this video. Yeah, let's go get my hair done. So today is November 21st, and it's currently about to be 6:30, and I'm at the nail salon because I'm getting my toes done. Getting my toes done today, but I'm getting my nails done on Wednesday. So I'm gonna like match my nails to my toes. And I'm getting French tips, but they like a brownish French tips, which I only got white on my toes and regular French tips. So I'm kind of hesitant to get a color on my toes, but you know, we're just gonna see how it looks to see if it looks nice, because the brown is not really like a dark brown.
To me just to see if we
So today is the next day. It's Tuesday, November 22nd, and I am going to be doing my lashes today. So fun fact about me, I don't really do my lashes, like go get them actually done unless it's like a special event, aka like my birthday or maybe like New Year's. If I'm going on a trip or something like that, I don't really go to get my lashes done just to get them done. But recently I did learn how to do my own lashes though. So the last time I did my lashes, which was I think in July, I did do them myself, and they did last me like a week or 2 weeks. 2 weeks. They could last me 2 weeks, but I just was ripping them off just because I didn't pay for it. So I got a bad habit of ripping on my lashes, and I need to stop. So this is the lashes that I use, and I got these from the beauty store. And then I'll be using the Kiss I Envy glue. But instead of me doing them myself, I'm gonna have my best friend do my lashes because we both want to learn how to do lashes. So I let her like do them on me and see how she does and see if she likes doing them. More of the story is that my lashes are gonna get done today. So yeah, that's what today is about. We're gonna do our lashes. About my toes, like the problem is not even the color, like the nudish brownish color that she put. The problem is the pink is not, it don't show. I only got them done there because I was already there because my best friend was getting her toes done. So I'm like, I might as well get my toes done here. And they charge like what, like $4 less than where I go to get my toes done. I should have just waited until I went to get my nails done and got my toes done over there because I actually like how they do them over there. So honestly, it's my fault. So it is the next day, and today is Wednesday. I'm at the mall because I'm about to get my nails and my eyebrows done. So that's what we're getting done today. I'm looking a little rough. I don't know what it is, but I think it's the eyebrows. Like, my eyebrows, are you guys seeing that? They just need to get done. Like, that's the most part that I'm excited about, is literally getting my eyebrows done. Yeah, this is the outfit though. You know? Yeah, we about to go because my appointment's at 2 and it's currently like 1:50, so. She used to work at King of Diamonds on a Monday. Only hit the club on Saturday and Sunday. I used to pull up every week and try to sing her. The way she did it, nobody could do it cleaner. I seen her in a suit for my birthday. And I can tell you the reason these niggas Thursday. Now mama getting it in on the worst day. Now mama getting it in, she fit the school in the gym into a work day. I'm sprung, she got me doing the dishes. Tell a nigga that when the clip was to an extension. You so bad, yeah, you so vicious. I'm so glad that you not his chick. She wanted a nigga, ain't got the right one. I wanted a fact, she looking like fun. Pull up on me, baby, it's in the night. Stay saying I'm strong, hey, right? I can't let you go without me. Daddy got me. Ain't no mama tryna lock me. It can't be nobody if it's not me. I'm in the same spot that you got me. I can't let you go without me. Daddy got me. Ain't no mama tryna lock me. It can't be nobody if it's not me. I'm in the same spot that you got me. You. You sprung me, baby, I sprung you too. Yeah, I got me, baby, I'm a undo. I like a busted, baby, I'm a bust you. I'm sprung in this too, cause ooh, you did it, ooh, did it, you. I already know what it takes to get into you. Ooh, bring it back. She put that pussy on me, she know how to make it clap, I make it clap, yo. I make it clap, yo. I had them haters asking how you up in that road, and how them umbrellas coming out of that door, how the front doors open up like the back doors. I be like, you ain't rich enough. You ain't got my bitch in the Lamborghini bikini on the beach enough. Now you pitching up, now you pitch with us. She said that champagne nasty, spit it up. Story dress with a lot of it, a hot sauce.
can't let you go without me. Shawty got me. Waiting on the mama trying to lock me. It can't be nobody if it's not me. I'm in the same spot that you got me. I can't let you go without me. Shawty got me. Waiting on the mama trying to lock me. It can't be nobody if it's not me. I'm in the same spot that you got me. Hey, you sprung me, baby, I sprung you. Yeah, I got me, baby, I'm a undo. I like a busty, baby, I'm a bust you. I'm sprung in this.
So I am already home. The last thing you guys see me getting done was my eyebrows. I do have this strip on my nose because I feel like lately I've been getting like blackheads, and we're not doing that. So this is what my nails look like. Honestly, I don't hate them, but I don't love them. I'm gonna put the picture that I showed her, and of course, like, I told her I wanted them a little shorter and I didn't want the charms on it, but it's like not even this is not even how the picture is. I feel like I will grow into it because this is not really up my alley when it comes to like the pinkish and then the actual color. That's why I was also looking at Pinterest to look at other inspo for nails, because I was hesitant to get this. When I look at them and stare at them for a little bit, I like them, but then when I stare too long, I don't like them. I don't know. I'm really gonna stress about it because I already paid the money. This is what my toes look like. I don't think I really showed you guys, so you guys kind of see. You guys see how I try to kind of match it. Also, I did mention me waxing at the beginning of this video, but sadly I did get on my monthly deathbed on Monday. So today's technically my last day because I only last 3 days, but I did shave like sometime last week, and I don't even think my hair is long enough for me to wax it. So I don't think we're gonna be able to wax in this maintenance vlog, but on my next one I'm definitely gonna do that because I honestly think I'm gonna switch and start waxing instead of shaving. Hey guys, yeah, I bet y'all didn't recognize me. Who is that girl right there? Who is that girl right there? Y'all see the hair, y'all see the lashes, y'all see the eyebrows, y'all see the nails, like. But it is Saturday. I got up, did a little bit of my makeup, my lip liner, and my hair because today it is my brother's birthday, so we having like a little get together at his crib. I was like, you know what, I haven't showed you guys the finished look of what a bad bitch looks like when she's done getting everything she needs to get done. This is the final look of this little maintenance vlog. As you guys can tell, it paid off because how we was at the beginning of this video and how we is now, two different people. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this video. If you guys did, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and while you're at it, make sure to click the bell so you get notified every time I post another video. If you guys want more videos like this, as in like maintenance and things of that sort, like beauty and stuff like that, let me know because I will give y'all guys more if y'all want. Don't forget to comment down below what you guys want to see next because y'all already know what y'all want I give. And yeah, y'all already know, stay positive, stay cute, and live your best life. And I'll catch you guys in my next video. Bye guys.